Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use Chat GPT to upgrade your resume and create a customized cover letter. Whether you're on the hunt for a new job or just looking to advance your career, this video is packed with great tips, so keep watching. Before we hop into the prompts, let's quickly talk about what Chat GPT is and why it's a game changer for your job hunt. Chat GPT is powered by OpenAI, and it's an AI language model that can help you craft compelling content, upgrade your job description and resume, and so much more. Whether it's idea generation, copywriting, or something as simple as drafting an email, Chat GPT can help you do it, and fast. It comes in a free version that you can use and a paid version. Paid version is said to be really great. I personally only use the free version and it's been good for me, so I can only imagine how much better the paid version is. But to start, just use the free version. It gets the job done for me. So you've got your standard resume, but you're in need of a serious upgrade. Here are some ChatGPT prompts that you can use. You want to start with your job description, which is explaining what you did in each of the roles that you had in your career. Take a section of your job description, okay? Let's start with your most recent experience. You're going to open ChatGPT. You're going to copy the description that you currently have, and you're going to type the following prompt. Upgrade the wording of the following job description for a professional resume. Then hit Shift-Enter, paste your job description that you currently have, and then press Enter. ChatGPT is going to do the rest. Now, you can do this for your full job description all at once, but you will find that ChatGPT takes some iterations. So start small. That way, if it doesn't look good, you can work with ChatGPT, give it some additional prompts, make this shorter, give more detail, whatever it is. So do one section at a time, just to make sure that you're not going through all the rework of having to copy and paste a whole description over and over again. The next good piece, once your job descriptions are all upgraded, is that you're going to want to put a job summary. If you don't already have one, you can use the following prompt. Create a summary description of the following resume. Keep the wording concise and professional, and make sure it is not more than one paragraph long. Something along those lines. Then Shift-Enter, paste your resume with the upgraded job descriptions that you have, and then press Enter. ChatGPT will give you a summary. If you have an old summary that you want to update, then you're going to use the following prompt. Update the following summary description based on my resume. The summary should be concise and professional. Do not make it more than one paragraph in length. Then you're going to hit Shift-Enter, paste your existing summary, paste your new resume, and then press Enter. Some resumes have a skills section. If you do have one, you can tailor that and upgrade it as well using ChatGPT. Just copy and paste the skills that you already have, and then use the following prompt in ChatGPT. Generate more detailed and engaging skill descriptions. Shift-Enter, paste the job skills that you had copied, and then press Enter. And it will upgrade those or give you alternatives that are also good options. Quick question to the audience. Are you guys going to be using ChatGPT to upgrade your whole resume, or is there a specific section that you're looking for an upgrade on? Maybe it's job summaries that are hard for you to write, or maybe it's the job descriptions and making them super detailed and professional looking. Let me know in the comments. Now, when it comes to cover letters, I've heard a lot of people say that cover letters are useless. I've heard people say they're important. For me personally, I do not apply to a job without including a cover letter. It's my cardinal rule, if you will. Especially if you're looking to land a remote role, the cover letter is an extra opportunity for you to showcase your skills and tell the company why you differentiate from the thousands of other people who are applying. So if you're taking advice from me, always include a cover letter. With ChatGPT, it takes literally 5 minutes, so there's no reason that you shouldn't. It's super easy. So if you've upgraded your resume first, that's good to go. Now you're going to be working on your cover letter. The way cover letters work is that they should be tailored to the company that you're applying to. This part of using ChatGPT is while you're in active job search. So let's say you found a company that you wanted to apply to. What you're going to do is save that job description, because you should always save the job descriptions of the jobs you're applying to. Then you're going to select all of that job description. I like to have as much details. Usually they give a blurb in the beginning about the company, who we are, what our benefits are, all of it. Copy all of that, go into ChatGPT, and enter the following prompt. Create a cover letter for the following job description based on my resume. It should be no longer than 4 paragraphs. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're then gonna put a little prompt. You're gonna say job description, paste. Below that, you're gonna type resume, paste your resume, and press Enter. ChatGPT is gonna read the information that you gave it, which is, here's the job description, here's your resume, let me find certain ties between the two that I can put into a cover letter to showcase your skills. And then you're gonna get a nice, beautiful cover letter. I always tell ChatGPT the length that I want, because ChatGPT loves to talk. And if you don't give it a max paragraph length, then it will literally write you an essay some days. So just make sure you know what you want in terms of length, and you can add those pieces on so that your first response from ChatGPT is actually more close to what you're looking for. So this part's really great because, like I said, 5 minutes in, you got a cover letter. Every time you find a job application that you want to apply to, you should be doing this step so that you can make sure that your cover letter is tailored, that it's pulling from the best experience that you have that's relatable to this job, and so that you can market yourself to the company that much more. Now, quick reminder and some things to note with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a great tool, but remember that it is just that, a tool. Tools help us accomplish a specific task. The only way a hammer works is if you pick it up and direct your force at the nail that you're trying to anchor into the wall. ChatGPT is your hammer. It should not be relied on to do every single thing for you, but should be seen as an assistive device that helps you get a good first draft, which you can then tailor and specify and customize to your experience. ChatGPT also does not do formatting well. So if you notice, once you get the answer from ChatGPT, you're gonna wanna copy and paste it into whatever Word doc or email that you're working from, and it will paste in its own format. I highly suggest to paste without format every time you're pasting from ChatGPT. Depending on the user face you're using, like email, sometimes it gives like this light gray background that makes it very obvious that you just copied and pasted something from ChatGPT into an email. So always paste without formatting. And that's a couple extra minutes of work because you have to actually now reformat, bold where you want to, put everything in its position, but it's better than having something that looks like you copied and pasted it off of a AI tool. And now I know that you didn't create any of this yourself. Like you didn't even take the time to tailor it a little bit to customize it to your needs. So always paste without formatting, or else you're just giving yourself away. I always paste without formatting, one, because I like to add additional stuff. I never like ChatGPT's first answer. Even if I've done a few iterations of it, I always need to add my own personality and tone of voice into it. So I use it as a first draft. I paste it without formatting. I make the changes that I want to make so that my voice and my extra experiences are in there. Then I save it as a PDF to apply to a job. Do what you want, but I suggest that you paste without formatting and take the extra 30 seconds since you saved yourself goddamn 3 hours, okay?
You can take an extra 30 seconds to format, okay?
And lastly, ChatGPT is also not perfect. Expect to go through several prompts before you get an answer that you like. So when you're talking to it and it's giving you 100 different answers, that's kind of what it does. Remember, it doesn't know who you are. It can only do what it needs to do with the information you've provided it. So all that you need to work on being is specific, making sure that you add prompts and details that are required or that you need in your answer, and be prepared to do a couple iterations. Some other additional prompts after you've entered your first pass could be things like, make this into 3 paragraphs. Provide more details in paragraph 3. Okay, rewrite this in a tone that's friendly and casual. Whatever it is that you're looking for, you gotta tell ChatGPT what you want it to do. It will work with you, it'll iterate, and then it will provide you something that hopefully you're happy with and then can take and customize on your own. But it is a very responsive tool in that you don't have to have the best grammar when you're using it. You can type in a conversational way, you can make spelling mistakes, and ChatGPT will still figure out and infer what it is that you meant to say. So there's really not much effort that comes from our side as the inputter. So you just gotta make sure that you're specific, work with the tool, and do as many iterations as you need so that you can get the answers that you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you're looking to increase your salary through job hopping, check out this video where I discuss job hopping, what it is, and some key rules to live by so that you can increase your salary fast. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you. Bye.